You need to know these 8 laws of money. In this video, we'll be discussing the 8 laws of money that you need to know to achieve your financial goals and secure your future. These fundamental laws encompass budgeting, saving, investing, and more, and they are key to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. We'll explore each of these money laws in detail, sharing valuable insights and tips to help you navigate the world of finance. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your existing knowledge, this video is packed with actionable advice that can make a real difference in your financial life. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In today's video, we're about to reveal the 8 essential laws of money that will completely change your financial game. These money laws are the keys to achieving financial freedom, and we've handpicked the most crucial ones for you. Think of this video as a turbocharged money management crash course designed to put you on a fast track to financial success. If you ever wanted to master the money game, this video is your golden ticket. We'll be sharing the invaluable insights and strategies you need to not just survive, but thrive in the world of finance. Have you ever thought about who became a billionaire faster than anyone else in history? Warren Buffett, a famous financial guru, took an impressive 55 years to join the exclusive Billionaires Club. There's another extraordinary story we should focus on, that of Jay Walker. In less than a year, he went from being unknown to becoming a billionaire when he started Priceline.com during the dot-com boom. However, there's a crucial lesson hidden in the rapid rise and fall. When the dot-com bubble burst, so did his fortune. On the other side, Warren Buffett continues to stand strong at the top of the financial success ladder, showing the kind of wealth you want to create and maintain. The world of money isn't a cakewalk. It's a tough, competitive game. Without knowing rules, you're headed for failure. It's disheartening to see people work hard all their lives only to end up with empty pockets due to a lack of financial knowledge. If you aim to be on the side where financial success is a reality, it's time to dive into the money game's rules. Allow us to introduce you to the 8 laws of money, and we'll start with the very first one. Law 8. Money grows on trees. Contrary to what many have learned, money isn't a limited resource. It has the potential to grow like trees, providing sustenance and abundance in your life. The key is not to spend your years trading time for money, but to plant the seeds of financial growth that will produce fruit long after you planted them. However, this isn't a simple task. Planting a tree doesn't guarantee success. It needs to be nurtured in rich soil and requires constant care and attention. Instant gratification is rare. Most trees take years, even decades, to mature, but once they do, they bear fruit with minimal effort. The same principle applies to assets. Whether you're building a business or making smart investments, they can generate income even when you're not actively involved. It's a shift in thinking, a move toward creating lasting wealth that goes beyond time. Law 7. Money is a lifelong game. Managing your finances is an ongoing journey. When you get really serious about money and investing, you might think that once you reach a certain income, you can forget about budgets and retire comfortably. But here's the truth. The financial game continues, and if you're not actively involved, your money won't keep growing. Just owning a property won't automatically bring in tenants. If you neglect it, it can become a problem. The idea that you can create an asset and then relax, well, that's not quite accurate. Even if you built a successful business, there's always competition. Traditional retirement might not be in sight, but you can automate some tasks, work fewer hours, and still keep building your wealth. Keep in mind that the wealthiest people in the world don't stop, even when they can. Law 6. There's no limit to what you can spend. In the world of personal finance, the possibilities are boundless. When you make more money, it's easy to start spending more too. As your life gets busier, your expenses tend to go up, so it's really important to be careful and stick to a budget that's less than what you earn. Let's take a look at Elon Musk as an example. He once managed to get by with just $1 a day in the United States. This shows that you can also live well with only a few $100s. You can enjoy the rewards of your hard work, go on trips, and treat yourself to life's pleasures, but don't forget the golden rule: always make sure your spending is less than what you make. Law 5. Don't let anyone know that you have money. Protect your wealth like it's a precious secret. Often we tend to show off our financial successes as if how much we earn determines our place in the world of money. Unfortunately, many people think this way. But the problem is that money can attract attention. Suddenly people gather around you appearing friendly, but really drawn by the allure of your wealth. It's thrilling to be the center of attention, but it can have a high price. If they can't win it over with kindness, they might turn to legal battles. That's the tough reality today. Even if you're making $1 million a year, stay humble, avoid bragging, and keep building your financial empire. Hey, before we continue, we want you to know that we're always making new content, so make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Law 4. Money won't solve insecurities. Money alone can't make your insecurities go away. We all have our insecurities, and sometimes we try to fix them by getting expensive things like fancy cars, big houses, or the latest phones to impress other people. But that feeling of excitement from having those things doesn't last long, and your insecurities are still there. So you keep wanting more and more, and that's how rich people stay in control. To truly feel good about yourself, you need to understand and manage your feelings. Your worries can make you spend a lot of money, but they never really go away. Instead, work on improving your people skills and your self-confidence. We're not just saying you should buy fancy cars or private jets. Spend your money wisely, not just to cover up your discomfort, but there are more affordable and effective ways to find happiness. Law 3. Money accumulates over time. Building wealth is like planting a tree. It takes time, but the results are impressive. The secret? Start investing early. With the power of compounding, even a small investment like $100 can put you on the road to financial success. Wondering what Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, did when he was just 11 years old? He was already investing. Now think about this. Investing a mere $60, the cost of a new smartphone, could potentially turn your grandchild into a billionaire in a century without adding more money. You might not see it, but your grandchild certainly will. And their grandchild will be grateful. Start sooner, and the day you wave goodbye to financial worries will come quicker. In Warren Buffett's journey, he hit his first billion after 55 years, and his second billion in just 3 years. Surprisingly, a whopping 98% of his wealth was made after he turned 55. So when you think about your financial future, remember that time is your best friend. Law 2. Greatest wealth transfers happens during crisis. The most significant changes in who has a lot of money often happen when there's a big problem. Think back to 2008 when the economy got really bad and many people lost their jobs. Some people had a tough time, but others chose to put their money into things that would make them even richer. When things got better, like Jay Walker, he got rich really fast when the internet business was booming. He didn't stay a millionaire forever, but he still had hundreds of millions. Then there's Mark Cuban, who will tell you he became a billionaire because of the financial problems in 1998. Instead of thinking that crises are a secret plan to hurt you, see them as chances to do well. Learn how these problems happen. Figure out how things work and get ready to do great when the next one comes. The thing is, these changes in money are just part of the game, and anyone who gets ready can do well. Don't just watch from the side, be one of the people who take advantage of the situation. Hey there, before we reveal the top one on the list, make sure to tap that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on our newest videos. You can decide if you want notifications for just a few videos or all of them. It's your choice, and if you're using your phone, don't forget to enable notifications in your settings. Law 1. As you get older, your expenses will grow. As you grow older, you'll find that you have more and more things to spend your money on. Have you ever noticed how each year it seems like you're spending more and more? What used to be a lot of money doesn't cover even basic expenses now, like fuel for your car. This trend is likely to continue, especially if you have a family. Some people don't think much about the future, but they're earning well. But when their expenses start to outpace what they make, they begin to worry about not having enough money for savings and investments. It's really important to make sure your income keeps going up, or you might find yourself stuck in a cycle of struggling to make ends meet, which can lead to financial difficulties. So, let's pay close attention to the advice below. And there you have it, the 8 laws of money that can revolutionize your financial game. Whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or looking to enhance your wealth building strategies, these laws are your golden ticket to financial success. Do you believe that the greatest wealth transfers happen during crisis? And if so, what steps are you taking to prepare for such opportunities? As always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on my latest content. And for more resources and links related to today's topics, be sure to check out the description below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to reading your comments and engaging with you in the next video.